Okay, the beam's now slowly moving back.
Tell me when you want to flip it on, I'll tell you.
Yeah, we'll switch it on while it's still moving away.
You give me the signal.
Okay,
Hang on.
now. And the
Tell
other
me
one.
the other one. Both working?
Ramadan. Watch. Takes time to build up. It wants to go to the right.
I think it's stopped moving to the right now.
Yeah,
Yeah, it starts moving towards the dome.
just beginning to move.
Yeah, very fast.
Where's the laser? There.
Outside.
See the laser's moving. Come on.
I can definitely see some slight movement back towards the doors
Yeah,
now.
it's moving. Keep going.
Definitely moving in that direction now. Now, had we left it, it would have moved further to the right before
Yeah,
it stopped.
it stopped.
We stopped it and attracted it back, even though it's actually moving the other way.
So it stopped its oscillating and it's taken it back.
Completely overridden it, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Very fast.
And it's speeding up because the power inside the dome is building up and the acceleration.
It would accelerate even if the force was constant, wouldn't it? It didn't mind the growing force. So what we hope to see is that it'll come up, hit the limit at the dome and then stay there, rather than oscillating back, yeah?
Yeah, it should stay there.
Watching before the building, maybe the Kevin is what I mean. The roll up in the line. I'm very sweet. Give me a kiss.
It's almost as if it's reluctant to go, but it has to.
Yeah.
For sure it's not magnetic because the compass is not deflected.
Yeah.
Compass, not deflected.
Yeah.
It's probably too small to see on the screen.
No, it's still pointing north.
Yeah.
There's no magnetic deflection at all. Is that compass changed on the other side?
No, it's pointing towards the right.
Still pointing in the wrong direction, in other words,
Yeah.
as it always has been.
And there is 0 amperes on the earthing. Earthing needle.
It's beginning to move back.
Right.
You were waiting for.
We're watching our experiment.
Ah. It's good anyway.
Yeah. Got really strong effects.
You know where Paul is?
He's right here. Video in the.
No idea. Disappeared into a black hole.
His gravity machine sucked him in.
Turn the video off until it starts doing something else.